welcome back to KopralTuuf here. Good afternoon, everyone. Cheers, cheers. Sakabra. Now, the report for today. Gonna check. Still on the cliff, Dreamland Beach, because it's super close to my house. So that's why I'll make the content here. So today is low tide. This afternoon super low, and then Dreamland looks good. I'll show you the waves video. Check it out. Shaka, bro. There's looking 12 people surfing right there. And here's the wave. There's so many growmen this afternoon. Yeah. That's a good one. See this one, this one. This wave so good. Oh yeah. Whoa, sweeping there. Someone. Okay. I'm gonna go a little bit closer right there, because it's a bit too far for my camera to shoot it. Before I go there, I'm gonna shoot Bingin first a little bit, and then go back there. I see Bingin and Impossible looks like good. It's good wave because low tide. Bingin can get some barrel, and Impossible some long waves because it's west swell, but it's a little bit small, maybe around 2 or 3 feet. And then it's waiting for a long time for surf if you want to surf there. But it's more wave now because it's low tide. Low tide is good if you want to surf on low tide. You can go Dreamland or Bingin or Impossible. Impossible is the best way if you want to go long ride, get long wave, or do some twin fin maneuver, bouncer or something. Because the wave is really good when it's low tide at Impossible. It's more mellow. I will show you the waves of Impossible and Bingin. Just a little bit before I quick going to check it out. Yeah, see the waves there. Before I go to there, check it out, guys. Stay tuned. There's Bingin. It's a bit hard to see, but the waves is small right there, but sometimes it's fun. It's only 5 people right there, and Impossible same too, like 1-2 foot, but sometimes the set is 3 foot. If you can wait, you can just go there and then sit down, wait a little bit, and then get some good one, because it's not many people in the low tide. So that is the report for Impossible and Bingin today. It's hard to see because it's too bright. Sorry guys. Yeah. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna see more closer Dreamland Beach. It's still from the cliff. Stay tuned, yeah? Check it out. Now I'm on the cliff. It's very close with the waves. You can see the waves now. It's pumping. It's really good. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's really working good. It's time to surf, guys. Yes, that guy. Wow, so long. Yeah. Keep going, bro. Speed. Oh, so long. Oh yeah, inside right. Going right. What you gonna do? Oh, you missed it. And this one. Woo! Yeah! Look at that, set coming, set coming. Yes, someone ride it. Yeah. Wow. Oh, hold on. Another one. And then you see inside. Wow. Whoa. Oh, that guy's still. Yes, bro. Boom. Alright, the report from today. The wave's good at Dreamland. It's low tide, but it's good. It's a sore break. But if low tide, it's gonna be good shape. You can go left or you can go right inside. If outside, you can go left. Because only outside left is working. And sometimes Dreamland have a outside right too, and it's really good. Right bang. It's nice. But it's that for next level surfer. If you are a beginner, whether you go surf outside left or inside. Yes, that is my opinion for you guys. If you are a beginner. Okay, see this one. Oh, so many waves. See it, see it. Something. Man! Oh, that's her. Oh, there's someone going. Yes. Boom! Was good. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, guys, just a little bit of information from me. If you want to surf at Dreamland, even you cannot catch the waves from outside Dreamland left, you still can catch the wet walls, because the wet walls is gonna become a waves again inside. So inside you can go left or you go right, because inside is have a two section. I mean, you can, if you are regular, you can go right. If you're goofy, you can go left. It's so many options here. It's really fun if you want to surf here. It's good for all the class. So that's it, the report. And for your information today, the waves is good. I'm gonna go surfing. So see you for the next report or next video. Thank you for watching this my channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And give me a comment if you recommend something for me, and then maybe can make another option for sub report or something. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Love you guys. Cheers.